Hello amazing family, welcome back to the channel. It's your beautiful baby girl Khemzyo. If you're seeing this beauty for the very first time, you are welcome and you're in the right place. Okay, in this channel I talk about immigration tips, my life abroad and faith. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always sticking to this channel. You guys are the best. Okay, so in today's video I'll be talking about different websites where you can find job. Guys, I know it can be very daunting when you're searching for jobs that can sponsor you, down to the UK, or if you're already in the UK and you're hoping to change employers. Okay, so I'm going to ease that stress, okay, and show you, confirmed websites where you can search for employers that can sponsor you. Okay, all you need to do is just to put in the name of the company, or put in the name of the hospital, or put in the name of the organization, all right, and it will tell you whether they sponsor or not. There's another website which I will show you that you've not seen on the internet before, okay, which will list the employer's name, the industry, and their sponsor license. It's going to tell you that they are able to sponsor you. Okay, I'm sure you're amazed, I'm sure you're happy and you're excited about this, and I know you can't wait for me to spill the beans. So I want you to sit back, relax, grab a popcorn as I walk you through the websites. So the first one is tier 2 sponsor list. This is actually very common. So the website is uktiersponsor.co.uk. I'm going to be putting all the links in the description box. So looking at this page, guys, you've got company, town, all industry. Okay, so irrespective of the industry you're looking for a job in the UK, you can find them all here. These are licensed employer that can sponsor you. Okay, the town we stated. If you have preference to the particular town you want, you can impute it here. If you have preference to the company, just put the name of the company there and so on. If you look at this list, guys, there are about 110,350 sponsors, employers that can sponsor you in all the visa category. Okay, all you need to do is to put the name of the company, the industry you're looking for job in, and if you know the town, put the town. Okay, let's say you want to work for, let me say, Nestle. Okay, let's say I put Nestle and I just click on search. Okay, so these are the Nestle companies that can sponsor you down to the UK. Their company name is there, their website. You can go to Google, put the name of that company and look at their career page. All right, this is the town it's located. You have one in Red Hill, you have one in Birmingham, Crawley, Southall, and the rest. So this is the industry that they are into, wholesale and retail. For the visa category, you see it's a skilled worker visa. For the second one is also skilled worker. For the third one, you've got skilled worker, global business mobility. Okay, and this is the date it was added. This was when they were actually licensed or eligible to sponsor candidates down to the UK. So let's say you're not even sure of the company you want to work for, but you know the industry you want to work. So you click on the all industry. It's going to list all the industries that are available. You have medical, care homes, IT, telecommunication, computer programming, etc. So let me just assume you want to come to the UK via the Minister of Religion, visa. You click on religious because that is what is similar to religion. You click on search. All right, it's going to list out all the companies that can sponsor you in that industry. You can see company 24/7 prayer. The town is in Guildford. The industry is religious. The main tier is worker A rating, and the sub tier, like I said, is the T2 Minister of Religion visa. Okay, they were added since 2013, and so on and so forth. You have Aberdeen Hindu Temple Trust. You can see it's in Aberdeen. Aberdeen is Scotland, and it's religious, and it's the religious worker visa. It was added in 2020. So and so on and so forth. These are the names of the company that can sponsor you under that visa category. So you need to go to their website, you need to check their career page, you need to reach out to them, email them, and look for job. You can see you have 1,008 companies under that visa category that can sponsor you. So please, guys, don't sleep on this website. You need to take advantage of it. A lot of people are taking advantage, and I don't want you to be left out. All right, the next one is the register of licensed sponsor. So this list can be found on the government website. I'm going to be putting the link in the description box, and it's just a list, okay, that contains all the employers that can sponsor you down to the UK in all job category. Okay, so when you go to the website, it will bring you to this page, and you can view it online, or you can download a document. Okay, so I already downloaded the document. I'm just going to open it If you look at it, guys, this list contains 124,219 employers. This is massive, guys. Okay, so these are the employers that can sponsor you. Don't get me wrong, not all of them might be actively recruiting, but it is worthwhile to look at the industry you actually want to look for job in. Okay, write out the name of this employer. Okay, search for them on Google, look at their career page, see if they are recruiting, send them an email, and be aggressive in applying for job. Okay, it is better you apply to these employers than just applying randomly when you're not even sure if they can provide you with sponsorship. That is why I'm making this video, to open your eyes to see where you can find employers that has been licensed by the UK government to sponsor you down to the UK. Even if you want to change your job within UK, you can make use of this list. Guys, I'm going to do some examples on how you can navigate this page, because there are quite a lot of employers and you need to filter down to your own specific job category. Now, let's say you are in the architect industry. You want to look for a job in the architecture industry, because architects are actually in demand in the UK. It is one of the occupation in the shortage occupation list. So I'm going to type architect and click on search. You can see it brought out 331 employers in that job category. If I were you, I'm going to list out this employer. Okay, copy them into another page and go to their career page, apply for jobs. At least you know that this company or this employer can employ you in that field, and all you need to do is to focus on them and apply. Let's say you want to get a care job. I'm just going to type care, and it brought out 7,601 companies or employers that are licensed to sponsor you. So you can use this document to filter down to the occupation that you're interested in. All right, the next one I'm going to show you guys is licensed-sponsors-uk.com. That is another website where you can search for, licensed employers or licensed sponsors in the UK. And it says here that this is a list of organizations licensed to sponsor workers on the worker and temporary worker immigration route. Okay, so the good thing about this website is that it always updates the employers. So if the employers that has been added to the list, is going to include it in their list. If their employers or companies that has been removed, maybe their license has been revoked, is going to indicate it. That's one thing I like about this website. You can see 27th November 2024 it was updated. This is like an up-to-date, is recent. There are some websites you go to and the last time it was updated was like years ago, but this is a current and it's an ongoing update of employers. That is one thing I love about this website. So if you're in the IT space, if you're in the care space, if you're in telecommunication space, irrespective of your industry, you can find something on this website. I want you to take your time, navigate through this website, okay, and search for jobs. So I'm going to click on one of the company. Let's say I click on Apple Europe Limited. Okay, you can see, guys, current status Apple Europe Limited. It's in London and it says license is active. The visa category is temporary worker, A rating, creative worker, okay, global business mobility, graduate training, global business mobility, senior or specialist worker, skilled worker. So this is the company name. All right, Apple Euro Limited. This is the location and this is the license tier. So this will give you more information about the company, their location, the kind of visa you can get with this company. If you want to know more, okay, you can go to their website. You just go to Apple Euro Limited on Google, type it, go to their career page, see if they are recruiting and apply for jobs. All right, and I tell people, whenever you're reaching out to employers, don't hesitate to send them email, don't hesitate to call them. All right, let your application go beyond just applying, sending your CV. You need to take that extra mile, that extra step of contacting these employers. Okay, now for the other ones that says remove, let me click on one of them. You can see license has expired or removed. So it is important to take note of this so that you are not just applying blindly. Okay, now so it goes on and on. I'm going to be putting all the link in the description box where you can check it out yourself. If you have any questions, like I said earlier, ask me in the comment section. The next one is Poli, guys. I'm going to be putting the link in the description box. All right, so it's apps.withpoli.com/login. So for this website, you need to sign up. So for me, I already signed up with this, and I'm just going to log in with my details. Okay, so I'm going to put my email address and my password. So I'm going to sign in, and this is it, guys. So one thing about this website is that I think it's actually very good for those in the IT space, in business space, okay, in engineering space. As you can see, you have categories, and these are the categories, I mean the job categories you can get on this app. So you have business and strategy, customer success, data, design, engineering, whether software, hardware, finance, another finance, we have accounting, assets management, audit, capital markets, HR, legal, marketing and PR, operations, others, product management, project management, research, sales and partnership, and the rest of them. So for those of you that are looking for a job in this category, this is actually a very good website for you where you can get visa sponsorship. So you can also tailor your search based on the seniority. So if you're looking towards entry level, junior level, mid level, senior, and if you're not sure, you can filter your search based on this seniority. Then also location all over the UK. You have in Scotland, in Wales, Northern Ireland, London, the rest of UK, and others depending on your preference. Okay, and it's also going to show you how likely this role is to be sponsored. Okay, there are some roles that definitely is going to be sponsored, some are likely, some moderately likely, not immediately sponsored. So this is a very good website if you're actually in this space and you're looking for specific jobs. Another thing about this website is that there is a pro version. So how do I mean? If you look at this category, you can see most of them have a key sign, this lock sign in front of them. So you can subscribe to the pro version by paying £3 per month. Okay, just pay £3 per month for 3 months using the code ILR33. So if you're interested and you want to unlock all this category, maybe you want to streamline your search to a particular category, okay, so I think it's actually a great deal, and it's very affordable. Just pay £3 a month for 3 months and input the code ILR33. Then you can activate all the key and you get more jobs. Okay, so these are vacancies, these are jobs that are available that you can see this was posted on the 20th of September 2024, lead software engineer, and it says the role can be sponsored. All right, so if you want to know more about the job, click on see job. I'm going to click on it. All right, so that brought me to this website, Secute Mind, and the position is lead software engineer. Okay, you can read more about the company, what they do, the responsibility, the qualification, and you tailor your CV based on the job role. Then you submit your CV to careers@securemind.io. This is based on this job. All right, and you can always reach out to them. So they have so many jobs, guys. This is actually very good. There are so many jobs you can actually say. This is a very good website. Honestly, if you ask me, for those that are interested, you can see this is another company, Tokama Energy, and it says licensed sponsor. Okay, and it was posted on the 6th of October 2024. You can also look at the job and apply. So there are so many of them. This is one thing I want you to actually take note of, and I want you to start using the website to apply for jobs. Wish you guys the very best. Another website I want to talk about is ukvisajobs.com. Honestly, I recently came across this website and I was amazed. This website is just very good, guys. One good thing about this website is that not only jobs, it's not only a website where you can search for jobs, you can also apply to attend workshops. You can apply to attend events and workshops on this website. This is an example, guys. Upcoming events, there's an interview workshop. On this workshop, they will teach you how you can pass interviews, what to say. So it's a webinar that you're going to join. They'll teach you the skills that you need. Okay, so that's another thing. This is assessment center workshop, and there are different dates. So guys, this is a very good website. The first thing you need to do is to create an account. Once you create an account, you can start searching for jobs, or you can sign in if you've created an account. Like I said before, guys, this website is very useful. Okay, so you've got a dashboard, you've got a talent profile, writing a CV, you've got writing a cover letter. You can also learn online assessments, interview guidance, assessment center guide, help and support, ambassador programs, subscription management, and profile update. So with this website, you can learn how to create a CV, how to create a cover letter. You can do some online assessments. It can give you interview tips and so many other things, benefits you can get from this website. So please try to create an account, sign in order to gain access to all this wonderful opportunity. Okay, so I'm going to click on set job. You can type in the specific jobs or the company or the location you're interested in, and it's going to bring up all the roles. Okay, so from what I have here, I've got 6,003 job roles, guys. There are different jobs from different field. Guys, please don't sleep on this one. And you can also filter the job based on your experience, your job industry, the location you want, and the kind of job. So for those that are also outside the UK, you can also, click on applicants based outside the UK and look at the location or the job or the industry you're interested in. So guys, I don't want to make this video so long. Try to navigate this website and start applying for jobs. You don't have excuse anymore. Okay, once you identify the industry you're interested in, just go ahead and apply as soon as possible. And I wish you all the very best. So I'll be putting all the links that I've explained in this video in the description box. Please do well to check it out. If you have any question of whatsoever, please put it in the comment section, and your baby girl will always be there to answer all your questions. I hope you've gotten value from this video. Please share this video to everyone around you. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like this video, turn on your notification bell, and please place a comment in the comment section. And guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye.